Hey developers, in this video, we'll show you how to quickly build a browser-based barcode scanner using Dynamsoft Barcode Reader. The SDK now includes a new barcode scanner class. It features a simplified API and a built-in interactive UI, making it easier than ever to integrate barcode scanning into your web app. There's also a user guide available if you'd like to follow along, and we'll walk through the code and explain how everything works. First, the SDK is included using a precompiled script. That's the easiest way to bring in the library without any bundling or installation. Next, you need to initialize the barcode scanner and add your license key. If you don't have one yet, just start a free 30-day trial by clicking the button in the user guide. Copy the key and paste it into your code. Once that's done, you're ready to use the scanner by launching its built-in UI. In our sample, the decoded barcode text is shown in an alert box. By default, the scanner closes after a successful scan and returns to your application, which in this case is a blank page. But what if you want a continuous scanning experience where results keep appearing on screen? Dynamsoft supports that too. While the default behavior is to scan a single barcode and close, you can enable multi-barcode scanning with just 2 lines of code. After refreshing the page, you'll see the updated UI. Each scan result appears live in the result view, along with a running count. This mode automatically filters out duplicates, so the same barcode won't flood the results when detected repeatedly. It also returns a unique result when scanning 2 or more different codes, keeping the experience clean and easy to follow. And when needed, users can tap the clear button to reset the results, making it even more convenient to use. If you explore the API further, you'll find more ways to customize the behavior. For example, you can apply a barcode format filter to detect only data matrix codes. It's useful if you want to ignore 1D barcodes. UI customization is also straightforward. Want to add a close button in the scanner view? Just include a single line of code. This lets users stop the camera manually when needed. If you need more advanced customization, please check out our guide, linked in the description below. That's it! Thanks for watching.